What's up guys, Carl here from SP Tech Gadgets, and we're here to unbox and take a quick preview with this 23-inch IPS 1080p monitor. This is the VC239H from ASUS. So let us now open this box by cutting off this seal. I got this monitor from JW Summit, a merchant in Lazada, Philippines, and it only costs me 7,560 Philippine pesos. That's roughly around 150 to 160 US dollars. So let us put it on his side to pull it out. As you see, I got only a very limited space here to unbox this, so give me a moment. And by the way, the pull-out game here is strong on this one. Nah, I'm just kidding. Let us put the box aside. Take a quick look. Let me unload all of the components and materials for this monitor. Let us unload first everything, and then I'm gonna show you. So here's the monitor, still sleeping. It got some wrapping and protection. Let me carefully lift it up, and don't be stupid enough to drop it. There gently. So here are what's included in the box. We have first the paperwork, the power adapter and power brick, a VGA cable, a DVI cable, and a 2mm earphone cable. So here's the monitor. Let's unveil it. At first glance, it looks like it's frameless, but it's not, and I'm gonna prove it to you later. This monitor will replace my very old AOC LED monitor that got a resolution of only 1366 by 768 pixels, whereas compared to this, with full HD 1080p experience, and it's also bigger compared to my old monitor. The adjustments that we can make on this monitor is very limited. The only adjustment that we can do is a neck tilt adjustment. There is no height adjustment or rotational adjustment whatsoever. At the back of the monitor, it got a matte black plastic finish with an ASUS branding, a Kensington lock, and the I/O ports. From left to right, we have here the HDMI port, the DVI port, the VGA port, a 2mm ear jack, and the input power port. On each side of the monitor, it got a speakers just in case that sound really decent, but I'm not gonna be using it. The brushed aluminum-like texture on the bottom part of the display is a nice touch by ASUS, by the way, and it looks very clean and elegant. So let us now power this bad boy up. When you powered it up, you will be greeted by this very vivid and very colorful, accurate IPS panel that is also surprisingly very sharp. So here is my proof to you that it is not frameless, and the black frame is just blending in with the monitor itself. So here's a quick look with the menu of the monitor. First, we got picture presets such as scenery mode, theater mode, standard mode, game mode, night view mode, or any mode that can suit your preference or your vision. We also got the blue light filter, color gamut, image, aspect ratio, system setup, and shortcut. I don't know what that does. by comparing it to my old monitor, the difference in color and viewing angle is just night and day. The IPS panel is more color accurate and much better compared to the LED panel. With a 60Hz refresh rate, gaming on this monitor it's okay as long as you're playing in 1080p HD. Everything just feels more wide and open with 1080p resolution. So here's a quick preview of how the gaming experience looks on this monitor, especially with dark areas such as this one. In an IPS monitor, the color is just more accurate. Blacks appear darker because certain pixels are turned off when a black part is displayed on screen. That is why viewing movies on this monitor is very excellent. So that's about it, guys. That's the unboxing and overview of the ASUS VC239H 23-inch IPS monitor.